Hello, people. So, each time I do a recording, I feel very happy. So, you know what? The latest thing that I have discovered in my life is ebooks. I mean, not exactly discovered because I've written more than 100 ebooks, but the thing is, I've begun reading the ebooks online. Like normally, we have enough of these books with us to actually get down to reading, ebook. So I read this book called Surviving Mother and Mother-in-Law: Every Bride's Bible to Marriage Survival by this author Jeet Barar. Now this particular book, it's just for $50. You can find it on Amazon, and it is one of the only books I've seen that where you feel that the author is a friend speaking to you, because it is set in an Indian context about Indian mother-in-laws and life of a bride after soon after marriage, and those of us who have been through that rigmarole know just how true it is, whatever Jeet Barar, the author, has written, because it is like, I mean, the most striking fact about that book, what occurred to me was that the writer, the author, is able to capture that the prototype of a mother-in-law, because invariably among the umbrella term called mother-in-laws, there is different variations. There are some who will pretend to be your friend, there are some who are genuinely nice probably, and then there are those scheming evil mother-in-law type categories. So I found this book fascinating. So do try and check it out, people. It's called Surviving Mother and Mother-in-Law: Every Bride's Bible to Marriage Survival. This is the first book on the thing, and it's a book that I think every newlywed should read. Truly. So thank you, Jeet Barar, the author. The author is Jeet Barar, ma'am, for writing this book, because it is a book that will help every new bride navigate life. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.